Prosper. Young nigga started with oozing noodles, now we eating lobster. As I walk through the valley with my ladder and flex, I'm the realest nigga in it, I just happened to rap. When they all thought we was finished, they was laughing at that. So I went and bought me a dawn and flipped the head to the back. Fuck, new drag, new whips on the way now.
What's up, squad? It's been a while since I made a bike video, but here we go. It's a little different. About to show you how to clean up a bike and sell it. And I'll probably just clean that one up just because it's dirty since the last time. So let's get to it. Dirty. I usually don't clean my bikes like this, but I had to go out of town right after I got done riding. It's not good for the bike, but gotta do what you gotta do. Got not one, but two RM85s. I got them, planned on fixing them up. Just quick flip, you know, one runs good. The other one I think it needs a top end, but I'm gonna clean it up as good as I can and see what I can do with it. Well, what we got going on here, this is old plastic that somebody didn't do a good job on. And it is a pain to get off, so I'm not gonna scrape it off. I'm just gonna go back over it, a few coats, and make it look better than it does. Bike is filthy. Nope, I didn't leave it like this till I bought it, but she's gonna look 10 times better in just a minute. Stay tuned. A little degreaser action. Oh yeah. Looks a little better. Probably about to die. Y'all see those handlebars? Yeah, we gotta fix those. They look like they've been all the way up. Gotta fix those, but cleaned up pretty decent. This right here, my specialty tuning screwdriver. All right, y'all hear how it's running right now. It's gotta come up. Fix the handlebars, looks way better. Straighten that number plate up. Look at this. This don't even go on this bike. And it's working right now, but that's gotta be changed. Now, I guess we'll start on this one. Yes, I know this one looks horrible and it doesn't run. It could be a good parts bike, because I mean, it still got some good parts, real good parts on it. But let's see what we can do with it, make it at least look good. I'm gonna rephrase look good, but look complete, as if I would say. But I mean, look at it, it was clean at one point, you know. It looked like a fresh gasket. I really think it just needs a top end. I really don't want to break it down. I don't want to build this bike, but no one buys both of them. I'll probably just build them and try to get rid of them, but I really don't want to. I really want to build another 125, but we'll see what happens. Still looks horrible. I didn't go through the trouble of even washing it. I just wiped it down a little. But I mean, it don't make a good rebuild or parts bike. I mean, I got them as a package deal, so I can't really complain. Got a good deal on them. But it's still in good shape. Just, new plastics, new top end. Y'all already saw what that can look like, you know, from my RM build. I mean, not my RM build, but my YZ build. But there they are. And this one starts, first kick. y'all let me know what kind of videos y'all want to see. If y'all want to see riding videos, if you want to see another build video, comment down below what you want me to build. If you want me to build another YZ125, another Banshee, or anything y'all want to see, drop it down below in the comments, and I'll be sure to try to do it, because I really feel like building something, feel like putting some riding videos up. So let me know down below. Like and subscribe.